Hello, it's Paul here. I'm going to give you a quick as I can an introduction to Printful today. I think if you're probably watching this video, you understand what Printful is. It's a print-on-demand platform that will send out your products for you. They will create the product from your design and then send it out. So this is t-shirts, hats, mugs, posters, things like that, where you can sell it on your e-commerce platform. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Shopify with it. I find Shopify really easy. I use it for my platform, for my homepage, and I sell Printful items on there for merch for me. And I'm going to show you as quick as I can how to use it and everything in between. This is not a tutorial on how to do everything step by step. This is an introduction to Printful and the features and what sort of things it does. What I'll do, and I ask this in all my videos, if you just pause me at this point, tell me why you're here, tell me what you're looking to learn, and if you've got any questions, fire away in the comments wherever you're watching it, or if you're in my forum, if you're in my free training forum, you can ask questions there too, and I will point you towards better videos for you. So just before I dive in, another thing, if you look in the description, if you're watching on YouTube or you're on my forum, I will itemize where each lesson starts so you can jump to a specific time when you want to learn anything, so you don't have to take everything in one go. All right, so just pause me and tell me why you're here, and then we'll get into it. Thank you.